This is a real moment of real anger and real frustration. My smoke alarm has been beeping for days. Days. Every morning. I don't understand how to make this not happen. I've put in 3 different batteries, 4 different directions each to make sure that I had it. I've reset it 1,000 times. I have unscrewed it from the fucking wall and it will not stop beeping. I put in a maintenance request. They have not responded. I have called emergency maintenance. They don't give a fuck. I am losing my mother cunting mind. I can't work. I can't read. I can't relax. I can't film. These are tears in my eyes. Don't even say, is she crying? Yes, I am. Why? I had this problem in my old apartment. If you watch my Snapchat, you know that it's just always beeping. I actually have a video, my stalker video, where my smoke alarm is fucking incessantly beeping and I can't make it stop. No matter where I go, I have a faulty smoke alarm. Why? Welcome to my life. Bro, I'm not even cooking anything. Are you okay? Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. Hey guys, it's now lunch. I've been editing all day and decided to stop for some food. And every time. Welcome to my life. And I will. Welcome to my life. The end. I searched for maintenance, I searched for manager, there's nobody around. I'm gonna have to take matters in my own hands, and I don't give a fuck if I get fined or fucking evicted at this point, because I can't live under these conditions anyways. This is it, you stupid motherfucker. Fucking take your fresh fucking battery out of your fucking shithole fucking face. And take your fucking bitch ass down, you fucking cunt. You stupid fucking cunt. Fuck with me, bitch! Fuck with me!